I am Joe. I grew up surrounded by wood. My great-grandfather carved large Buddha statues, some even collected by the royal court. To my family, wood is more than just a material. It's companionship, it's legacy. But I often wonder, in today's world, young people may no longer need grand, solemn carvings. What they really need is something small, enough to hold in their hands, something that gently slows life down. So I began making these wooden pieces carving, sanding, shaping, little by little. Each one carries a piece of my heart. I hope they quietly stay by your side and bring you a smile every single day.